Hello kids, welcome to the class of English alphabets. Letter is A. A is for aeroplane. A E R O P L A N E. Aeroplane. Apple. A P P L E. Apple. Ant. A N T. Ant. Apron. A P R O N. Apron. Alligator. A L L I G A T O R. Alligator. Almonds. A L M O N D S. Almonds. Take the pictures that begin with the A sound. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको जो है डिफरेंट पिक्चर्स गिवन है एंड जो पिक्चर का नेम ए साउंड से स्टार्ट हो रहा है उस पे आपको चेक करना है एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द पिक्चर्स पे आप क्रॉस करेंगे. दिस इज आइसक्रीम एंड आइसक्रीम इज नॉट स्टार्टिंग विद द ए साउंड. सो किड्स, वी विल क्रॉस दिस. दिस इज eggs. And eggs word is starting with the A sound. So we will check this. This is moon and moon is not starting with the A sound. So kids, we will cross this picture. This is apple and apple is starting with the A letter. So we will take this picture. This last picture is of kite and kite is not starting with the A sound. So we will cross this. Alphabet B. B is for ball. B A L L. Ball. Boy. B O Y. Boy. Beer. B E A R. Beer. Banana. B A N A N A. Banana. Basket. B A S K E T. Basket. Boat. B O A T. Boat. Book. B O O K. Book. Take the pictures that begin with the B sound. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको different pictures given हैं and उन pictures के names जब आप बोलेंगे तो अगर वो picture का name B sound से start हो रहा है तो आप tick करेंगे, otherwise आप cross कर देंगे. This picture is of boots and boots are starting with the sound B. So we will take this. This is banana and banana is starting with the B sound. So we will take this. This is mango and mango is not starting with the B sound. So kids, we will cross this. This is spoon and spoon is not starting with the B sound. So we will cross this. And this last picture is of bat, and bat is starting with the B sound. So we will tick this. Alphabet C. C is for cactus. 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 Curtains. 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 Cap. 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 Cat. 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 Carrot. 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 Take the pictures that begin with the C sound. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको different pictures given है and जिस picture का name C sound से start हो रहा है उसे आप tick करेंगे and rest of the pictures को आप cross करेंगे. This is apple and apple is not starting with the C sound. So we will cross this. This is crown and crown is starting with the C sound. So we will tick this. This is ball and ball is not starting with the C sound. So it will be cross. This is cake and cake is starting with the C sound. So we will tick the word cake. This picture is of egg and egg is not starting with the C sound. So we will cross this picture. Alphabet D. D is for dinosaur. 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 Drumstick. 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 Drum. 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 Daisy. 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 Duck. 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 Dolphin. 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 Dog. 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 Take the pictures that begin with the D sound. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको different pictures given है and जो picture का word D sound से start हो रहा है उसे आप tick करेंगे and rest of the pictures को आप cross करेंगे. This is dress and this is starting with the D sound. So we will tick this. This picture is of dog and dog is starting with the D sound. So we will tick the word dog. This is candle and candle is not starting with the D sound. So we will cross the picture candle. This is cap and cap is not starting with the D sound. So we will cross this. This is deer and deer is starting with the D sound. So we will tick this. Alphabet E. E is for eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Envelope. E-N-V-E-L-O-P-E. Envelope. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Engine. E-N-G-I-N-E. Engine. Tick the pictures that begin with the E sound. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको different pictures given है and जो picture का word E sound से start हो रहा है उसे आपको tick करना है and rest of the pictures को cross करना है. This is egg and egg is starting with the E sound. So we will tick this. This is fish and fish is not starting with the E sound. So we will cross this. This is eagle and eagle is starting with the E sound. So we will tick this. This is orange and orange is not starting with the E sound. So it is cross. This picture is of bag and bag word is not starting with the E sound. So it will be cross. Exercise. See the following pictures and write the first letter of word in the box. So kids, आपको इस एक्सरसाइज में क्या करना है, यहाँ पे जो है आपको डिफरेंट पिक्चर्स गिवन है एंड उन पिक्चर्स का जो वर्ड है उस वर्ड का जो है फर्स्ट लेटर जो है आपको बॉक्स के अंदर लिखना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज एप्पल एंड द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ द वर्ड apple is A. So we will write A in the box. This is cat. The first letter is C. This is donkey and the first letter is D. This is eagle and the first letter is E. This is book and the first letter is B. This is dog and the first letter of the word dog is D. So we will write D here. Alphabet F. F is for flag. F L A G. Flag. Fox. F O X. Fox. Flower. F L O W E R. Flower. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Fin. F-I-N. Fin. Frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Take the pictures that begin with the F sound. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको पिक्चर्स गिवन है एंड जिस पिक्चर का नेम F साउंड से स्टार्ट हो रहा है उसे आप टिक करोगे एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द पिक्चर्स को आप क्रॉस करोगे. दिस इज फायर एंड इट इज स्टार्टिंग विद द F साउंड. सो वी विल टिक दिस. दिस इज की एंड इट इज नॉट स्टार्टिंग विद द F साउंड. सो वी विल क्रॉस दिस. This is fish and it is starting with the F sound. So it is tick. It is leaf and it is not starting with the F sound. This is mango, and this is also not starting with the F sound. So we will cross this. Alphabet G. G is for giraffe. G I R A F F E. Giraffe. Guitar. G U I T A R. Guitar. Grass. G R A S S. Grass. Goose. G O O S E. Goose. Girl. G I R L. Girl. Goat. G O A T. Goat. Take the pictures that begin with the G sound. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको pictures given है and जिस picture का name G sound से start हो रहा है उसे आप tick करेंगे and rest of the pictures को आप cross करोगे. This is grapes and this is starting with the G sound. This is guitar and this is also starting with the G sound. This is shirt and this is not starting with the G sound. This is goggles and goggles is starting with the G sound. This is tree and tree is not starting with the G sound. So we will cross this. Alphabet H. H is for helicopter. H E L I C O P T E R. Helicopter. Hen. H E N. Hen. Horse. H O R S E. Horse. Hippopotamus. H I P P O P O T A M U S. Hippopotamus. Horn. H O R N. Horn. Take the pictures that begin with the H sound. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको pictures given है and जो picture H sound से start हो रही है उसे आप tick करोगे and rest of the pictures को cross करोगे. This is basket and this is not starting with the H sound. So we will cross this. This is flower and this is also not starting with the H sound. This is eggs and this is also not starting with the H sound. This is bucket and bucket is also not starting with the H sound. So we will cross this. This is horn and horn is starting with the H sound. It is tick. Alphabet I. I is for ice cream. I C E C R E A M. Ice cream. Island. I S L A N D. Island. Indri. I N G R I. Indri. Ice. I C E. Ice. Igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. Take the pictures that begin with the I sound. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको pictures given है and जिस picture का name I sound से start हो रहा है उसे आपको tick करना है and rest of the pictures को cross करना है. This is igloo and it is starting with the I sound. This is knife. So we will cross this. This is ball and ball is not starting with the I sound. This is kite and kite is not starting with the I sound. Ice. This is starting with the I sound. So we will tick this. Alphabet J. J is for jacket. J-A-C-K-E-T. Jacket. Joker. J-O-K-E-R. Joker. Juice. J-U-I-C-E. Juice. Jam. J-A-M. Jam. Jelly. J-E-L-L-Y. Jelly. Jug. J-U-G. Jug. Take the pictures that begin with the J sound. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको pictures given है and आपको बताना है कौन सा word जो है J sound से start हो रहा है and उसे आपको tick करना है and rest of the words को आपको cross करना है. This is joker and it is starting with the J sound. So we will tick this. This is leaf and this is not starting with the J sound. This is jellyfish and this is starting with the J sound. This is jar and this is starting with the J sound. This is juice and juice is starting with the J sound. Exercise. See the following pictures and write the first letter of word in the box. So kids, इस exercise में आपको क्या करना है? यहाँ पे आपको different pictures given है and उन pictures का जो name है उस name का first letter जो है आपको box में लिखना है. This is fox and the first letter is F. This is flower. The letter is F. This is goat. The first letter is G. This is donkey and the first letter is D. This is igloo and the first letter is I. This is aeroplane and the first letter is A. Alphabet K. K is for king. K-I-N-G. King. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Kiwi. K-I-W-I. kiwi. Kettle, Kettle, kettle. Kitten, Kitten, kitten. Take the pictures that begin with the K sound. So kids, यहाँ पे जो है आपको different pictures given है and आपको बताना है कौन सा name जो है K sound से start हो रहा है and उसे आपको tick करना है. This is kiwi. So this is starting with the K sound. And kids, this is the kiwi bird. This is butterfly and this is not starting with the K sound. This is key and starting with the K sound. Book, not starting with the K sound. Candle, not starting with the K sound. Alphabet, L. L is for letterbox. 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 Lion, Lion. Lion. Letter, Letter. Letter. Ladder, Ladder. Ladder. Lamp, Lamb. Lamp. Lock, Lock. Lock. Take the pictures that begin with the L sound. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको कुछ pictures given है and आपको बताना है कौन से picture का name जो है L sound से start हो रहा है. This is lamp and starting with the L sound. Mango, not starting with the L sound. This is lemon and starting with the L sound. This is sheep and not starting with the L sound. This is umbrella and not starting with the L sound. Alphabet, M. M is for moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Mango, M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Mouse, M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Mushroom, M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M. Mushroom. Take the pictures that begin with the M sound. So kids, यहाँ पे pictures given है and जो picture का name M sound से start हो रहा है उसे आपको check करना है. This is mouse and starting with the M sound. Grapes, not starting with the M sound. Mask and starting with the M sound. X, not starting with the M sound. This is map and this is starting with the M sound. So we will check this. Alphabet, N. N is for nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Net, E T. Net. Nurse. N U R S E. Nurse. Note. N O T E. Note. Nut. N U T. Nut. Take the pictures that begin with the N sound. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको pictures given है and जो name N sound से start हो रहा है उसे आपको check करना है. Nose, starting with N sound. Bread, not starting with the N sound. Sweater, not starting with the N sound. Parrot, not starting with the N sound. Nail, starting with the N sound. Alphabet O. O is for owl. O W L. Owl. Ostrich. O S T R I C H. Ostrich. Ox. O X. Ox. Octopus. O C T O P U S. Octopus. Take the pictures that begin with the O sound. So kids, आपको उन pictures को टिक करना है जो O sound से start हो रही हैं. This is yarn and not starting with the O sound. Carrot, not starting with the O sound. Orange, starting with the O sound. Leather, not starting with the O sound. Owl, starting with the O sound. Exercise. See the following pictures and write the first letter of word in the box. So kids, इस exercise में जो आपको pictures given है, उनके name का first letter जो है आपको box में लिखना है. This is lion and the first letter is L. Owl, first letter is O. Key, first letter is K. Lemon, first letter is L. Moon, first letter is M. Nose, first letter is N. Alphabet P. P is for princess. P R I N C E S S. Princess. Parrot. P A R R O T. Parrot. Pineapple. P I N E A P P L E. Pineapple. Papaya. P A P A Y A. Papaya. Peacock. P E A C O C K. Peacock. Take the pictures that begin with the P sound. So kids, आपको उन pictures को tick करना है जो P sound से start हो रहे हैं. Parrot, starting with the P sound. Kite. Grapes. Eraser. Pencil, starting with the P sound. Alphabet Q. Q is for quill. Q-U-A-I-L. Quill. Quill. Q-U-I-L-L. Quill. Queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Quilt. Q-U-I-L-T. Quilt. Take the pictures that begin with the Q sound. So kids, उन पिक्चर्स को आपको टिक करना है जो Q साउंड से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. Quilt, starting with Q sound. Brush. Pear. Banana. Quill, and starting with the Q sound. Alphabet R. R is for rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Rocket. R-O-C-K-E-T. Rocket. Rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. Ring. R-I-N-G. Ring. Rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. Take the pictures that begin with the R sound. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको pictures given है and जिस picture का name R sound से start होता है उसे आपको टिक करना है. Drum. Rose, and this is starting with the R sound. Mat. Rabbit, starting with the R sound. Bee, not starting with the R sound. Alphabet S. S is for sun. S-U-N. Sun. Squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Squirrel. Swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. Ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. Smoke. S-M-O-K-E. Smoke. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Shoes. S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. Take the pictures that begin with the S sound. So kids, यहाँ पे जो है आपको pictures given है and जो picture S sound से start हो रही है उसे आपको टिक करना है. Bird. Shoes, starting with the S sound. Snowman, starting with the S sound. Sun, starting with the S sound. Pen, not starting with the S sound. Alphabet T. T is for tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Tomatoes. T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S. Tomatoes. Tortoise. T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E. Tortoise. Telephone. T-E-L-E-P-H-O-N-E. Telephone. Take the pictures that begin with the T sound. So kids, आपको उन पिक्चर्स को टिक करना है जो T साउंड से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. Telephone, starting with the T sound. Rose, not starting with the T sound. Tent, starting with the T sound. Triangle, starting with the T sound. Strawberry, not starting with the T sound. Exercise. Identify the pictures and circle the first letter of their name. So kids, आपको इस एक्सरसाइज में क्या करना है, यहाँ पे जो है आपको काफ़ी सारी पिक्चर्स गिवन है एंड उन पिक्चर्स का नेम जो है आइडेंटिफाई करना है एंड वो नेम कौन से लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है उसको आपको सर्कल करना है इन गिवन लेटर्स में से. So kids, this is parrot and it is starting with the P letter. So we will circle the letter P. This is queen and queen word is starting with the Q letter. So we will circle the letter Q. This is papaya and it is starting with the P letter. So we will circle the letter P. This is quail and it is starting with the Q letter. We will circle the letter Q. This is rain and this is starting with the letter R. So we will circle the letter R. This is telephone starting with the letter T. So we will circle the letter T. Alphabet U. U is for utensils. U-T-E-N-S-I-L-S. Utensils. Unicorn. U-N-I-C-O-R-N. Unicorn. Urchin. U-R-C-H-I-N. Urchin. Urial. U-R-I-A-L. Urial. Take the pictures that begin with the U sound. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको जो है पिक्चर्स गिवन है और जिसका नेम U साउंड से स्टार्ट होता है उसे आपको टिक करना है. This is parachute, not starting with the U sound. This is brinjal. This is urchin, starting with the U sound. Mushroom, not starting with the U sound. Uniform, starting with the U sound. Alphabet V. V is for vase. V-A-S-E, vase. Violin, V-I-O-L-I-N, violin. Vulture, V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. Vegetables, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. Van, V-A-N, van. Take the pictures that begin with the V sound. So kids, आपको जो है यहाँ पे pictures given है and जिस picture का name V sound से start होता है उसे आपको tick करना है. This is vase, starting with the V sound. Cactus. Ball. Van, starting with the V sound. Tag. Alphabet W. W is for whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. Watermelon, W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. Water bottle, W-A-T-E-R-B-O-T-T-L-E, water bottle. Wolf, W-O-L-F, wolf. Take the pictures that begin with the W sound. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको pictures given है and जिस picture का name W sound से start होता है उसे आपको tick करना है. Water bottle, starting with the W sound. Parrot. Wheel, starting with the W sound. Wool, starting with the W sound. Cat. Alphabet X. X is for X-ray. X-R-A-Y, X-ray. Christmas tree. X-M-A-S-T-R-E-E, Christmas tree. Xylophone. X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E, xylophone. Check the pictures that begin with the X sound. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको pictures given है and जिस picture का name X sound से start होता है उसे आपको tick करना है. This is whale. This is xylophone and starting with the X sound. This is X and not starting with the X sound. Toy. X-ray, starting with the X sound. Alphabet. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Y-O dash Y-O. Yo-yo. Yuck. Y-A-K. Yuck. Yacht. Y-A-C-H-T. Yacht. Yarn. Y-A-R-N. Yarn. Take the pictures that begin with the Y sound. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको pictures given है and जिस picture का name Y sound से start होता है उसे आपको टिक करना है. This is yo-yo, starting with the Y sound. This is pomegranate, not starting with the Y sound. Yarn. This is starting with the Y sound. Shoe. Gloves, not starting with the Y sound. Alphabet. Z. Z is for zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Zipper. Z-I-P-P-E-R. Zipper. Zebra crossing. Z-E-B-R-A-C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G. Zebra crossing. Zoo. Z-O-O. Zoo. Take the pictures that begin with the Z sound. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको pictures given है and जिस picture का name Z sound से start होता है उसे आपको tick करना है. This is trousers and not starting with the Z sound. Zigzag, starting with the Z sound. Hen, not starting with the Z sound. Rose, again not starting with the Z sound. Zebra crossing, this is starting with the Z sound. So we will tick this. Exercise. Some pictures are given below. Fill up the blanks to complete their names. So kids, इस exercise में आपको क्या करना है? यहाँ पे जो है आपको कुछ पिक्चर्स गिवन है एंड उन पिक्चर्स को आइडेंटिफाई करके आपको जो है उनके नेम्स जो हैं फिल अप करने हैं इन ब्लैंक्स में. So kids, this is the picture of nest. The spelling is N-E-S-T. So we will complete the word. N-E-S-T. This is monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. This is elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. This is swan. The spelling is S-W-A-N. So we will fill the letters. Swan. SWAN. This is grapes. 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 Carrot. CAROOT. Carrot. Thank you, kids. I hope you enjoyed the learning.